Okay, so this is another video for the Luck Sport or Luck Pickers United scorecard. And basically, it's a little thing. You create a profile and you can put the locks you have in your collection if you have them, if you've picked them. And then you can upload video proof and it goes towards your scorecard and statistics. And it's not really with the belt ranking. It's a slightly different thing. It's probably parallel to that or works in conjunction with the belt ranking. But anyways, this is my Master Lock 1. I did a Master Lock 3. And I'm using one of my favorite setups, Covert Instruments Ergo Turner. Probably my favorite tool from, get it back in focus, probably my favorite tool from Covert Instruments. They have a lot of great stuff, but this is my favorite tool. And then the Jimmy Long's medium hook. And I think 18 thousandths. I can't remember. There are a couple different sizes. I could look it up. Let's see, remember which one I bought, but it's a Jimmy Long's lock pick. So we're going to try this here with just top of the keyway this time, just for something different. And here we go. I can't really see around this, but here we go. May have been one or I slipped off the wording. Nothing's set or nothing's working right. I could just overset. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. There we go. And that is the Master Lock 1. There we go. Man, the depth perception on these is impossible on this camera setup. All right, thanks a lot. And I'll get this one uploaded and maybe get another video going. Thanks.